Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check if your Redmi 12 is original. And to do this, you'll need your box in which this phone came, and as you can see it's Redmi 12 right here, and on the bottom you will find the sticker with the serial number, and that's the thing will be identifying our phone if it's original. Now move on to your smartphone and open a dialer. Right here type in the code that I'm currently entering, and then you'll see your serial number on the bottom. Now the only thing left to do is to verify if that's the same number as it's on your phone box. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.